Tired of seeing that annoying transaction error message on your Trust wallet? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to fix this problem and get your transactions going through smoothly again. First, let's check your gas fees. Open your Trust wallet and tap on Settings, located at the bottom right of your screen. Then, select Network Fees. Ensure that the gas price is set to either Standard or Fast. Avoid using the lower settings, as they might cause your transactions to get stuck. If it's already set to Standard or Fast, try increasing it slightly. Now, head back to the main settings menu and tap on Preferences. If you have a DApp browser enabled, clear your DApp browser cache. This will help to clear out any corrupted data that may be causing issues with your transactions. If you're still facing issues, make sure you have enough BNB in your wallet to cover the gas fees. BNB is used for transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain network. Give your wallet a quick refresh. Simply pull down from the top of the screen to refresh the app and sync it with the blockchain. Finally, check your transaction history. If you see any pending or stuck transactions, try canceling them before initiating a new one. Sometimes a stuck transaction can block other transactions from going through. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve most transaction errors on Trust Wallet. Now go ahead and try your transaction again. Good luck.